Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, and related to our story for this week, the healthy pig named Peter. So, di ba nag-discuss man tato, so si Peter ato naglibog kung unsay difference sa fruits ug sa vegetables. So, here. Fruits come from flowering part of the plant and contain seeds. So ang prutas kuno gikan sa mga mamulak nga bahin sa tanom nga adunay liso. So in contrast, vegetables are edible parts of plants such as the leaves, stems, roots, and bulbs. So sa sukwahi, ang utanon gikan sa mga tanom nga makaon nga bahin sa tanom, sama sa dahon, tukog, gamot o bulbs. So, mao na siya ang difference sa prutas o utanon. Sabot na. So, I have prepared a slideshow for you. So, take a look and watch.
Onion, radish, finger,
Cucumber,
lemon, cabbage, sayote, jutes, mushrooms,
lettuce.
wing beans, ginger,
Unsa man ang ginger?
kanang potato,
Luya.
sweet potato,
Unsa na sweet potato?
corn, kanang sweet potato,
Kamote.
chili kay hanghang,
O mo nang sili.
Chinese cabbage, calamansi, broccoli, sugar apple, papaya,
Here's the different kinds of fruits.
avocado,
Guava.
star apple,
Unsa man ang star apple? Kay mito.
banana, apples, strawberries, watermelon, grapes, melon, pineapple, jackfruit, cherries, rambutan, mangosteen, durian, lychee.
Yaman ang butter ay ganang flower. Siya, ini sa tuyukan kay. Na nagkuhan mo na ang butter, nilig mo na ang ganang flower. Ayun na tuyukan tuman. So, tingnan na mo ba? Ito sa butter. Hindi ko ba sa kagkuhan? Na, iya, ano ba? Huwag mo ganda na. Dili. kay ikaw mga butterfly kaya sa tuyo ka na nagkanta mo na kaya nabiya kay ikaw na butterfly na sa kanya na sabot sige sample dali sample sige ato bang dili wala mo pa rin maliit ana duman mo dito ana okay 1 2 3 kasi lang ha ayo kawa sige wala mo kanta dili mo pinikiyaha ana lang ako
Guniti lang, day, guniti. Na, i-hold ang butterfly.
ikaw na sige 1 2 3 go dali nila kaya saya sige ikaw na sige ikaw na ay dito na
Ay, mauna na sa Jenny. Bukali. No. Ay, yun ay ko lang una.
sige 1 2 3 go sige sudungan mo sunod mo mura mo train ba balik saya
Annyeonghaseyo, students. Okay, so this afternoon you are going to have a role play with regards of our topic this afternoon, which is the butterfly dance. So first is mag-role play sa mo. Afterwards, you are going to read the poem. Okay, start.
Nabiya, irinara unora, nura nabihin nabi, chumuchumyun unora.
Sounds good. Butterfly dance. Butterflies flutter in the air. Colors flying everywhere. They dance and twirl with wings so fine. A lovely, gentle, sweet design.
Okay, very good. So mag-practice pa ta sa reading ha, because na pa yung mga lapses. Then some of the students kay lacking pa ang ilang pag-pronounce properly. Okay? So very good ang inyong performance. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay, so magkapit ang tiwas, and later on we will going to have a spelling test with regards of the poem entitled The Butterfly Dance. Okay ra? Okay, very good. Okay, students, so get ready ang inyong magnetic board. Okay? So Ellie, move forward here. I-move sa center. Okay? Move Liza, para makita si Ali, as well as dito ka do, move. Okay, Okay, so let's start. Ready na? Okay, spell the word butterfly. Okay, spell the word butterfly. So may spelling sa butterfly. Okay. How about Sikoan? Very good. Erase. Okay. So, mo ni spelling sa butterfly ha. Next, down. Spell the word slowly. Dance. Okay. Spell the word dance. Wrong mo suwat. Wrong spelling imo inday. Isba. Wala nga nag-end. Okay. Very good. Okay. Usbo na to Sikoan. Dance. Very good. Next, down. Spell the word colors. Colors. Spell the word colors. Okay, tanungan suwat. Okay. Tanaw na to. Okay, erase. Race. Okay, very good. Next, down. Spell the word flutter. 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 Spell the word flutter. Very good. Si Jillian May. Okay. How about the other students? Okay, very good. Down. Spell the word lovely. 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 Himanan ang spelling ha. Mag-study at home also. Spell the word lovely. Okay. And last but not the least, spell the word gentle. Gentle. Spell the word gentle. Okay, Jillian Me. Okay. Very good. So, pakpakan ako galingon, kinaka-answer. Okay. So, study at home, ha? Kasi assignment, magbasa og books. Okay, very good. Okay, students, for this afternoon, you're going to read what you have written based from the story entitled Count Your Blessings. So, you will state what you have learned from that story, and as well as I will have what do you call that one, interpretation with regards of your work. If nanaba mo idea on how to make an essay or a sentences, so making your own idea, making your own thought, and as well as your point of view. So far, as I check your work, well done is Chloe. Okay, so Chloe, please read your work, then other students maminaw mo sa iyang work so that you will understand what I mean. Okay, so ikaw, Chloe, read. Make your voice loud.
Be grateful to the things that you have, even though your parents are at work, but keep it in your mind that not all the time they have money because they are working. But sometimes they can afford what you want, and sometimes they can afford the things that you want.
Okay, very good. So, yun ana siya. So, unsa man inyo hang na-learn behind that story, di ba? So, related ang iyang gihatag na opinion with regards sa story nga Count Your Blessings. Same as Lavender in the story, talking about her father, nga nag-struggle yung father financially because dili man ingon nga dako ang sweldo sa usa ka factory worker. So, same as Chloe's opinion and idea. Very good. So, next, arita ni Mary Kate. Please stand up, Mary Kate, and read your opinion or idea. So anyways, walay wrong sa inyong idea. It is your own opinion and thought. So correct na tanan, but you need to enhance lang para mas nindot ang inyong English written skills. So mas mutaas ba? Practice lang din na sa read books. Sige.
The world has a big problem, or what should I say, many problems like bigger than Jupiter, such as financial. As now, the things are very expensive. All we need are very expensive. As we know, the prices on the things we need are very expensive. Then, what should I say that we need to be grateful on it.
Okay.
Even though you don't have such as that things, but always keep it in your mind that always be grateful on what you have.
Okay. Next, arita ni Jad.
Be grateful for the things what you get from your parents. They buy that with love.
Very good. Dunan ko ana ang message. Short but detailed. Kuan ba? Specific siya. Oh, lagot. Direct to the point. Oh, very good. Sit down. Next ni Nicole.
Be grateful for the things what you get because your parents buy that with love.
Okay, so nagsunanay silang duha, but I like it because specific, direct to the point. And last but not the least, arita ni Desiree. Okay, Desiree, so imong work. Please read. Make your voice loud. Other students, maminaw. Make your voice loud, Desiree. Okay, sit down. So, Desiree, do not be shy. Make your voice loud next time, ha? Okay, so, please read books. Na may mga libro sa balay? Naa? Okay, so naano? So, pwede kayo mo mabasag libro. because our time here in study room is 1 hour only, so limited ang time, gamay ratong time. So pwede ka ay magbasag bisag unsang libro, cause daghan mo makatunan, as well as the spelling. Namoy makita dito nga mga words, then makahibaw mo nga mao din siya spelling. But if time will come na yung mga English words nga difficult for you, pwede na ni i-search in Google para mas makibaw mo nga mao din yung meaning ana niya nga word. So, di ba namoy mga cellphones? So, social media is very what do you call that one? Kanang common na kaay sa karon, di ba? So, pwede kanyo gamiton ang inyong cellphone through searching, right? So, dili gamiton ang cellphone nga mag-games lang, because you will be addict mo sa games, but then ang inyong hanguna may diverse na sa games, dili na nun mo makafocus sa mga pagtuon, right? Di ba, Desiree? Okay, so next time, do not play games nga maka-addict. So, focus lang sa study, okay? Anyways, good job for today. So, goodbye, mamuhi na ta. Bye-bye. Salamat ha. Okay, thank you so much for your time, students. Bisag rain or shine ang pagtambong sa study room, no? Okay, bye-bye.